Dissertations and Theses at USC are stored in two locations, ProQuest and the USC Digital Library. This tutorial focuses on searching ProQuest for USC dissertations. ProQuest is one of our databases. You will need to sign in to use it. There are several methods to access the database. The most direct way is to go to the USC Libraries homepage, scroll down, and click on Databases. Once on the Databases page, enter Dissertations and click Go. Then scroll down and click on the Dissertations and Theses at University of Southern California link. Alternatively, access ProQuest by any method, then click on ProQuest in the upper left corner. Once on their homepage, click or mouse over Dissertations and Theses. Then click Search or the Dissertations and Theses at University of Southern California link. You know you're on the correct page when you see Dissertations and Theses at University of Southern California. You should also see the yellow box with USC Libraries in it in the lower right. This confirms that you are signed in and can access the full text. As a full-text database, you are searching every part of the dissertation. The words you enter into the search box might appear in the title, the abstract, or even a footnote. Also, unlike the Digital Library, ProQuest included very few details along with their documents. This means you will only find terms used by authors. For example, you cannot limit your search to any school's degree program. Those were never included in the published dissertations. Also, many dissertations were presented to the faculty of the graduate school. Because the school granting the degree was never mentioned, searching by the school name will not find those dissertations. That said, I'm interested in online harassment by students, and I want a dissertation published by my colleagues in Rassier. I will type in harassment and Rassier, and click the search icon. Note that by using harassment, I will only find dissertations where the author used that exact term. The search engine will ignore alternate options, such as harassing. Use an asterisk to retrieve alternate spellings. I'll use harass with an asterisk to tell the search engine to find harassing and harassed. Click the search icon. Now scroll down, and you'll see that the dissertations are dated from 2001. By limiting to the word Rassier, any dissertations published by the education program prior to the naming of the school have been excluded. This is also true when searching the Digital Library. Additionally, this is a full-text searching. Dissertations by or mentioning Rassier as a person or an institution were also retrieved. To view a specific dissertation, click on the title. Scroll down and use the inner scroll bar to view the document. Generally, you can save, email, print, and download these dissertations. To return to your previous search, click Back to Results. To start a new search, use the Search This Database box and click the search icon. For additional information, click the Help button, or return to the USC Libraries homepage and click Ask a Librarian.